I'm Sheryl Roush, and it's my pleasure to be your guest speaker on January 22nd. The topic for the workshop is how to connect with any audience. And what I'll be sharing with you are tips in how does it relate to your live audiences as well as your online presentations. Many things are transferable. Some things are very different. For example, have you ever wondered how people in your online presentations, if they're paying attention, are you relating to them? If you're asking them a question, are they engaged with you? There are 7 different modalities or channels, if you will, of how you and I connect with everyone in our life. How these translate into live audiences, same thing. How are we engaging? We'll go through each of the 7 communication channels, and I'll give you tips on how you can engage them online or in person. You're going to want to attend this session from my 30 years of being a professional speaker, an accredited speaker through Toastmasters International, as well as global international top-rated trainer, blah, blah, blah. Thanks to Toastmasters, I bring it to you. I'm going to break it down for you, and if we have time, I'll also give you some tips on how to take care of your voice whenever you're doing online presentations. So you want to be there for this presentation, January 22nd. I'm Sheryl Roush. See you then. As a bonus, when you attend this online presentation workshop, you are going to receive a copy of a 2-page handout that helps you engage your listeners. This chart is worth attending the session for. You are going to be able to download this. It is the secret of the 7 different communication channels, all the way from what you can use for every presentation you're coming up to help you prepare your presentation with each of the 7 modalities, what each of those listening styles needs, and a place for you to write down your specific notes. That's all I'm going to show you now. You need to be there January 22nd.